Hi everyone, I'm Paul Kankowitz, and this is the weekly update for my 2D PvP game with grappling hooks. This week was almost entirely spent fixing bugs, so I thought I'd mention some bugs I fixed in rapid fire mode. Here we go! I made dead players not gummy when squished by a boulder, despite how silly that was. I fixed a bug where the player could get stuck when grappling if they were at the exact minimum grapple distance. I fixed a bug where the player wouldn't consistently move to the wall when grappling. I fixed a bug where the landing sound would play a bunch when touching the ground while grappling. I fixed issues with the player grapple hold interacting with moving platforms. I also fixed issues with the player grapple hold interactions with platforms that would disappear, like crumble and timer platforms. This included adding a bit of player momentum, because just stopping them in that case felt so broken. I moved the player's origin to be at the middle of the sprite again, which fixed some weird centering issues I had while grappling. I fixed a bug where random input players could get back up in certain cases, though that was really funny when it happened. Finally, I made the player unable to hold their grapple if there's ground directly below them, since that doesn't really make sense. Phew, alright, that was a lot of bug fixes. I also did a few non-bug related things. Since I needed to add a bit of momentum to fix one of those bugs, I added some momentum when players get hit by traps, which I think feels really good. I added a grip warning sprite, since I didn't get around to that before. I made player grapplers destroy darts from dart traps. This isn't something I expect players to use intentionally, but it'll be a nice little thing that can happen sometimes. And that wraps it up. Thanks for watching. See you next week.